Good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanda DiPaolo coming to you here from Bristol, Rhode Island. Today, I want to share with you the power of stories. Okay, there was once this salesman that was eager when people came into their car lot, right, to sell a car. And as soon as the person came in, he would say, all the features. Oh, how many layers of paint on the car. Oh, it has this certain kind of Sirius radio. It has leather seats. It has a sunroof. All these different features. And the guy said to him, listen, I got to be out of here in 30 minutes. I'm going to ask you two questions. And if you can answer those two questions, I'll buy the car. The guy said, all right. He says, will I look good in it? And does it go fast? I said, yeah, of course you'll look good in it. So the guy wrote him a check for $130,000. I don't know exactly how much it was, but the guy wrote him a check. And 30 minutes later, the guy was off the lot. Well, the point of that story is, guys, is that when we're out here sharing whatever we're doing, right, we are telling people all the features, it has, electric windows. It has 9 layers of paint. It has tinted windows. It has a sunroof. It has, a dual system, right? We're telling people all the features, but we're not listening to what they want, okay? It's very important to listen to what your customer wants when they call you, because you got to remember, it's not about you. It's about them. What do they want, right? What are they willing to do for it, right? What's stopping them? And how can you help them? Them are the questions that you need to ask yourself, and always keep that in mind, because it is not about you. It's about them. It's about what they need. So keep that in mind, okay? So that's just one point. The other thing I want to share with you is that every point has a story, and every story has a point. What I mean by that is the same thing. Back to the car story, right? The point is the gentleman went in there to buy a car. Right? When you go in to buy a car, you know what you're going there, you're looking for. The salesperson comes up to you and they kind of have diarrhea of the mouth. They're telling you all the benefits about their car. But that's not what you want to hear, right? All you want to know is, does it go fast and will I look good in it? Right? Because when you go to purchase something, you already know what you want. Right? Not what the person wants to sell you, but what they want. And asking the right questions. What are you looking for? What brought you to me? What attracted you to reach out to me? Find out what their pain point is. Do they not like their job? Do they want more time with their family? Are they looking to build something and get some passion back in their life? What are they looking for? That's key, guys. So what do they want? What are they willing to do for it? What's stopping them? Them are important questions to ask all the time. The other thing is that I want to share with you is how many people ever got out there and did a little hypnosis? Well, do you notice in hypnosis that they always have a positive suggestion, right? In the end, right? They have a positive suggestion that they instill in you. Why is that? Because positivity, right? We need positive affirmations. We need to put positive things in our brain. So when we go to get hypnotized, right, we want to lose weight. We want to stop smoking. We want to get out of an abusive relationship. We want to be more successful in our business, right? Them are some of the things that we want. So when we go to a hypnotist hypnotizes you, but they hypnotize you with positive affirmations. The reason for that is that in order to change the way you're thinking, right? The stinking thinking, the negative thinking, you want to change it around to something positive. So that's why when you go to a hypnotist, they instill positive affirmations into you. And at the end of your session, they give you a CD. The reason for that is so you can go home, plug it in, and listen to it over and over and over, right? So you can change your thinking. So them are my couple tips for you today. I'll look forward to sharing with you tomorrow. Reach out to me. I love you and appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you all on the beaches of the world.